Welcome to the new tutorial. Let's learn how to change background in Photoshop. Bring the bottle image into the main canvas. Adjust the image. We have two images. The first is the background and the second is a bottle. Select the bottle image, go to the Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Now Photoshop automatically selects the subject. Click on Layer Mask icon. Now duplicate the bottle image by pressing Ctrl J. Now select the bottle layer, select the mask thumbnail and press Ctrl I. Now go to blend mode and choose multiply. Create a levels adjustment layer and clip it to the below layer, and now drag the middle slider to create realistic shadow. Remember, the technique I am showing in this video only works for the product image. Now your image background is replaced. Thanks for watching. See you next time.